Hey guys, alright, so today we will be teaching you how to change a lawnmower tire. Alright, so we went ahead and started. Grab that. Yeah, grab it.
Don't turn around. Ain't that toys?
Alright.
Like our new improved tire.
Yes. Alright, so you got your old tire here. We already took that off. You just gotta cut the tire, yeah. Alright, now, here's our new tire.
Getting the rim in.
Oh, now you gotta pull this thingy-majigger through and just make, alright, so we're failing very miserably. Hey, we've got it to where you can lift it up. Alright, so, yeah, we'll see you when we,
get it. Right after that.
Yeah, let's get it. Alright, guys, so the way that you do this is you get this screwdriver, you put it there, and you do that.
Jam and jiggle.
You know what?
Turning up the ground, bud?
What? No, I'm doing it professionally. Yes, very professionally. You know, take that screwdriver and you just...
Well, knowing you.
And they wonder why I can't drive my mud mower right now. Wait, they don't even know about that yet. Yet. You guys don't know about it.
What are you doing? Oh my god. Where is the sledgehammer?
Sledgehammer?
Yeah.
I'll be back.
Okay. Well, he's back again.
What?
I said a real sledgehammer. CPR, let's go. Do like you lost a man. Or do like your girlfriend broke up with you or something. What? I don't know.
That would be the worst day ever. I can't get this. I mean, no one ever said can't. Can't.
It works.
It's almost there. This is very professional, guys.
Yeah.
The regular technique.
I thought the regular technique they got one of those things that put the rim in. Suppressor, whatever those things, the jaser. What are you doing?
I got it. I got it, guys.
No wonder. Put the sledgehammer down, be a good boy. Your reaction.
Guys, so lesson learned is you just start playing roll with the tire. You know, you take the tire and you just pass it to the other person. Yes. Lesson learned. All right. Yes, this is very fun. That hurt.
Got 2 inches.
Alright. This'll work.
Hopefully. Oh, come on.
Come on.
What? Tire football. It's called tire football. Alright?
Tire soccer.
Let's go. Let's go. It's big enough for my head. I don't use my head as a rim. My head got stuck in there.
Shoot.
You never learned a lesson. You failed.
That hurt.
Come on!
I don't even think that they can see you. They might not even be able to see me. Not sure.
Kelly's going down the road.
Yeah.
Come on.
You suck.
We got stuck.
Whoa.
I didn't mean to do
I
that.
thought you were going to hit me.
No! Whoa. No!
Roll away, tire. Oh crap. Oh, what was that?
GTA.
Come on now.
Sheriff from GTA.
Wait, no. The way that you're supposed to do it. Alright, you ready? Oh my god.
Who can make it in the hole first?
Wait, guys.